Welcome back again, all my Cashapp investors. Today I'm going to talk about a safe, very safe company to invest in as 2020 is unraveling, all the crazy things happening. We're going to talk about a company that you can invest your money in that is safe, it's affordable, and I think it's the right play for the little guys or the starters, what I'm going to consider. Zynga is an American social game developer. They create games on your phone. Now, with all these crazy things going on in the world, I think that games on the phone is where the attention could be. People will be maybe less wanting to go out, less wanting to travel around to places locally, that is, less wanting to be around a lot of people and more wanting to be to themselves. And when you think about, okay, well, what are people going to do when they are by themselves? Yes, they're going to watch Netflix. Yes, they're going to be on YouTube. But what has always captured the attention of people are games. Games, and having a game at your hand is just so time consuming because you can just get into it. You want to win. So I think that Zynga has a lot of growth. They've grew over 50 something percent within the last year. In 2018, their stock price was at 350, and now we're nearing the six and the sevens. I believe this week they're supposed to announce some news, some quarterly news, and they're expected to outperform what their expectations are. And when companies usually outperform their expectations, their stock usually rises because it's a safe company to invest in. And I think the last company that just outperformed their expectations was like Tesla, and their stock rose by I think like $70 to $100. Now, I'm not saying you're going to see that type of growth here. I think Zynga has to announce a little bit more things, such as partnerships and maybe a new big game that's coming out. So, like I said, I think that this is a 3 to 6 month investment that you want to make into this company. I'm not sure any much longer than that. Like I said, it's a safe place to keep your money. The way I look at stocks right now is kind of like a different savings bank. And if you have your money in the right savings bank, which in the stock market, I'm gonna put it in that frame. If you have your money in the right savings bank, your money can accumulate more than what an actual bank would give you in dividends. So, like I said, this is a safe company to have your money in for 3 to 6 months. When that 3 to 6 months is up, then we can have another conversation on whether it's worth keeping longer. Through some research, I kind of have come to this conclusion that Facebook has their hands intertwined into Zynga. So when you have a powerhouse such as Facebook kind of backing this type of company, financially, you know that this company is going to do well because Facebook has done so well financially with just their overall incline and everything that they're doing with their marketplace, with just everything that Facebook is doing that's evolved. So I see nothing but growth here just off the fact that they're intertwined with Facebook because they're going to make great business decisions. They're going to make great financial decisions. They're going to make great money making decisions. So I think that adds to this being a safe company to invest in. Every company has what we call red flags. The red flags for Zynga is that their monthly average has decreased from 78 million to 67 million. And I know that you're still like, wow, 67 million is a lot. So they've dropped a little bit, which could also mean that people and the users were expecting a new game by now or something new and they didn't get it, so they didn't want to play no more. That's what that could mean. What is offsetting that change in active users is that the people that are actively playing, they're spending money in the game. So you would think that the company losing active users would mean that their sales would decrease, their income would decrease. Well, no. Right now, their income is increasing because the people that are actively playing are spending money in these games, which is very good for the company. So that makes you question, is the red flag even a real red flag? Because all it would take is maybe a new game that everybody loves for that 67 to get right back to 78 or even grow higher to an 80 million. It's something for you to think about, but like I said, I think that this company is very safe for the next 3 to 6 months to invest your money in. If you know any other research that would state otherwise, please let me know in the comments. If you have any information that I don't haven't if you have any information that I haven't expressed here on Zynga, please share in the comments. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys are interested in investing in Zynga, or if you're not. I'm always interested in hearing what people are interested in investing in. Zynga is expected to announce some good, great, big news for the company this week, I believe February 5th. I will be on standby. I will buy some stocks today and just be on standby for the great news, because that $6 can easily go to $7.50, $8 with some great news, and I will be happily here to let my money accumulate. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that you are out there investing. I hope that you are out there trying to learn. I hope that you have learned something or caught some different insight from this video. I appreciate everybody that's watching. I appreciate all the comments. Let me know how y'all feel about the video in the comments. I appreciate y'all again and again and again. Thank you for everything. Love y'all.